to my Crown Chakra balancing meditation today. In this guided meditation, I, Poojaa Sharma, will help you open and balance your Sahasrara chakra. Softly and gently close your eyes and take your focus onto your breath. Breathe in and breathe out a few times. Remember, starting and closure of any meditation is breath work, as our breath is the connect of our physical body to our soul. So with every breath now, you're going deeper and deeper and deeper into trance and connecting with your soul. We're now going to balance open Sahasrara, which is our connect to divine. The chakra opens towards the sky, Shiva, masculine energy. When this chakra is open and balanced, we receive grace and abundance of divine. Now try and visualize indigo color ball here. This is your chakra which is rotating or spinning at a very high speed. If you're unable to see the chakra at the moment, no problem. With daily practice, you will be able to see it intuitively. For now, just keep your focus there and let's chant loudly 21 times the seed or Bij mantra. What is a seed mantra? A mantra which is very small, like a seed, just one syllable mantra. However, it has the potential to grow into a complete tree like a seed. A small seed becomes a big tree with fruits and flowers. Similarly, seed or Bij mantra is a one syllable mantra which has profound effect. And the mantra here is Om. So loudly, let's chant 21 times. Om. Om. Your crown chakra, Sahasrara, is now balanced and glowing beautifully as an indigo color ball. And now you are connected with the divine cosmos to receive more and more grace. Now repeat these affirmations loudly 3 times after me. This will also help program your subconscious mind. I am open to receive grace and abundance of divine. I am open to receive grace and abundance of divine. I am open to receive grace and abundance of divine. I am open to receive grace and abundance of divine. I feel peace and joy. 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 Divine is blessing me with more and more. 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 And now, bring your attention back on your breaths. Slowly and slowly become aware of your breath. We're trying to come back. Doing this meditation every day for 48 days, which is one complete healing cycle or mandala, will take your vibrations to another level, and whatever you think of, whatever your desire or desires are, will manifest into reality. You'll have a thought and it will be done. Now, as and when you're ready, you may open your eyes. Do like and share this video with everybody that you love, and leave us a comment as to how did you like this meditation. I will personally read and reply to all of them. With a lot of love and blessings, I will take leave now till I come back with another meditation. Namaste.